Today, we're going to solve one of the biggest problems English learners face. Maybe you understand English when you watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read simple books. But when it's time to speak, the words just disappear.
If that sounds like you, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll learn 8 simple habits that can help you speak English with more confidence every day.
Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Welcome back to English Foundry, where learning English is easy, practical, and relaxed.
We're so happy you're here today.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to English Foundry so you never miss a new episode.
Daniel, do you know the sentence we hear almost every day?
Oh yes, it's always, I understand English, but I can't speak.
If that's your problem too, you're not alone.
Speaking English is a skill, and every skill gets better with practice.
So let's begin with our very first habit. Habit number 1 is simple. Stop translating every sentence in your head.
Many learners listen in English, translate everything into their own language, think of an answer, then translate it back into English before speaking.
That takes time, and the conversation keeps moving.
Instead, try using the English words you already know.
Let's imagine I ask you, "How are you today?"
I don't need a perfect answer. I can simply say, I'm good, thank you.
Or, "I'm a little tired today."
Those are short, natural, and correct.
Remember, people want to understand you. They don't expect perfect English.
Every conversation is practice.
So our first habit is easy.
Think less and speak more.
But what if you don't know many words yet? Let's talk about that next. Habit number 2 is to use short sentences.
Many beginners think they must speak long, perfect sentences. That's not true.
Native speakers also use short sentences every day.
Listen to these examples.
I'm hungry.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
That sounds great.
They're simple, but they're useful.
Learn one sentence. Use it many times. Then learn another one.
Little by little, your confidence grows.
Learning English is like building a house.
You don't build the roof first.
That's right. You build one brick at a time.
So far, we've learned 2 important habits.
Stop translating.
And use short sentences.
But how often should you practice? That's our next habit.
Habit number 3 is to speak English every single day.
The good news is that you don't need to study for 2 or 3 hours. Even 5 or 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Really? Just a few minutes?
Absolutely. Speaking English every day is much better than speaking only once a week.
Think about exercise. If you exercise a little every day, your body becomes stronger.
Speaking English works the same way. Small daily practice builds confidence.
Here's something easy to try. Look around your room and describe what you see.
This is my desk.
My laptop is on the table.
The window is open.
Don't worry if your sentences are simple.
Simple English is real English.
Okay, let's do a quick recap.
Habit 1. Stop translating.
Habit 2. Use short sentences.
Habit 3. Speak English every day.
Great job! But now, let's make your brain think in English. Habit number 4 sounds a little difficult at first.
But don't worry, it's actually fun.
Try thinking in English instead of your own language?
Start with very small things.
What can you see right now?
I can see a chair.
I can see a coffee cup.
I can see my phone.
Great. Now make simple sentences.
The chair is next to the table.
My coffee is hot.
My phone is in my bag.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
Your goal is to keep your brain in English for a little longer every day.
After a few weeks, you'll notice something amazing.
You'll stop translating every single word, and speaking will feel much more natural.
We've already learned 4 powerful habits.
And trust me, the next habit is one of my favorites.
Stay with us because it's a simple trick that many successful English learners use every day. Habit number 5 is called shadowing.
Shadowing. That sounds interesting.
What does it mean? It's very simple. Listen to a native English speaker, then repeat exactly what you hear.
Listen, pause, and repeat.
Let's practice together.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Excellent. Now, another one.
I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day.
Try to copy not only the words, but also the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion.
Don't worry if you can't sound perfect right away.
Every time you repeat, your speaking becomes a little smoother.
So far, we've learned 5 habits that can completely change the way you practice English.
But we're only halfway there. The next habit will help you become much more confident when talking to real people. Habit number 6 is something every English learner needs to hear. Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Many people stay quiet because they want to speak perfect English.
I understand that feeling, but making mistakes is a normal part of learning.
Think about children. When they learn their first language, they make lots of mistakes.
That's true. Nobody expects a child to speak perfectly.
So don't expect yourself to be perfect either.
Daniel, have you ever made a funny mistake while learning something new?
Oh, many times. And every mistake taught me something.
Exactly. Mistakes are teachers.
If someone understands your message, you've already succeeded.
Every conversation makes you a little stronger.
So speak first, improve later.
That's a simple habit, but it changes everything.
And now, let's discover a habit that many successful learners use every single day.
Habit number 7 is to learn English through real conversations.
Why conversations?
Because real conversations teach you vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and listening at the same time.
That's much more natural than memorizing long word lists.
Imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant.
I'd like a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a bottle of water.
That's real English you can actually use.
Every conversation teaches you useful phrases that stay in your memory longer.
That's exactly why we created English Foundry.
Every episode gives you practical English for real life, not just grammar rules.
The more real conversations you hear, the easier it becomes to join one yourself.
We've learned 7 habits already.
Ready for our final habit? It's the one that keeps everything working together. Habit number 8 is simple but powerful. Never stop practicing.
Learning English isn't about studying hard for one day. It's about practicing a little every day.
Even 10 minutes of speaking, listening, or reading can help you improve.
Some days will feel easy.
And some days will feel difficult. That's completely normal. The important thing is to keep going. Let's quickly review today's 8 habits.
Stop translating.
Use short sentences.
Speak English every day.
Think in English.
Practice shadowing.
Don't fear mistakes.
Learn through real conversations.
And practice consistently.
Those 8 habits can completely change the way you learn English.
Next, we'll show you how these habits work together in a real conversation. Let's put everything into practice. Now it's time to put all 8 habits together in a simple conversation.
Great! As you listen, notice how we use short sentences. Speak naturally, and don't worry about being perfect.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I had a busy morning, but now I'm feeling relaxed. How about you?
I'm great. I had a cup of coffee before we started recording, so I have lots of energy.
Coffee always helps.
It really does.
Emma, how do you practice your English every day?
I like listening to short English podcasts. Then I repeat the sentences out loud.
That's a great habit.
Shadowing really improves pronunciation. Yes, and I don't worry if I make mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn something new.
Exactly. Progress is much more important than perfection.
Let's continue our conversation. Emma, what do you do when you forget an English word? I don't stop speaking. I use easier words that I already know. That's a smart idea. For example, if I forget the word delicious, I simply say, the food is very good. That's perfect. Communication is the goal. Exactly. You don't need difficult vocabulary to have a good conversation. I also try to think in English when I'm walking outside. Really? What do you think about? I describe everything I see. I think, the sky is blue. That man is riding a bicycle. The park looks beautiful today. That's an excellent exercise because it trains your brain to stay in English. And after a while, speaking becomes much easier. Now, let me show everyone a complete model answer they can copy and practice. Hi, my name is Emma. I'm learning English because I want to speak with confidence. Every day, I practice for about 10 minutes. I listen to English podcasts, repeat useful sentences, and try to think in English. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I don't give up because every mistake helps me improve. I enjoy learning new words, having simple conversations, and practicing a little every day. My goal is to speak English naturally and confidently. I know it takes time, but I'm happy because I'm improving step by step.
That's a wonderful example.
Thank you.
Did you notice? Emma didn't use difficult grammar or fancy vocabulary.
That's right. I used simple English that every beginner can learn and use.
Remember, simple English spoken confidently is always better than perfect English that stays inside your head.
In the final part of today's episode, we'll review the most important vocabulary, give you a fun speaking challenge, and prepare you for our next English Foundry episode. Before we finish today's episode, let's review the most useful words and phrases together.
Great idea. Listen carefully, and if you can, repeat after us.
Stop translating.
Use short sentences.
Speak every day.
Think in English.
Practice shadowing.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Real conversations.
Build confidence.
Keep practicing.
one step at a time.
Excellent. These simple phrases can become part of your daily English practice.
You don't have to remember everything today. Learn one phrase, use it in a real conversation, then come back and learn another.
Small improvements every day become big results over time.
And that's exactly how confident English speakers are made.
Now, are you ready for today's speaking challenge? Here's today's English Foundry challenge.
Find a quiet place and speak English for just 5 minutes today.
You can introduce yourself,
Describe your room.
talk about your day,
Or even tell a short story about your morning.
don't stop when you make a mistake. Just keep speaking.
Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
Every sentence you speak today makes tomorrow's conversation a little easier.
Believe in yourself. You already know more English than you think.
And we'll be here to practice with you every step of the way.
You're making progress, even if it doesn't always feel that way.
Let's finish today's episode with one final message for all of you. If today's episode helped you feel more confident about speaking English, we're so happy you joined us. Thank you for spending your time with English Foundry. Learning English is a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak with the words you already know, and your confidence will grow day by day. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Foundry, like this video, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. We'd love to hear from you. In the comments, answer this question in 1 or 2 sentences. What is one habit you'll start practicing today to improve your English speaking? In our next episode, we'll practice real English conversations together so you can improve both your listening and speaking skills with everyday dialogues. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop believing in yourself. Thanks for listening. See you next time on English Foundry. Bye for now.